Guess what, folks? Samsung is dropping some fresh tech goodness with their new Galaxy F35 and Galaxy F55 phones, and they're all about making life easier when it comes to repairs. Samsung's spilling the beans on how fix-friendly these phones are, and it looks like they're stepping up their game. Straight out of France, we got word that the F35 and F55 are doing better on the repairability front than last year's models. The F55 is especially nailing it with a solid 8.5 out of 10 score. This means Samsung's really thinking about how you can take these phones apart and swap parts without a fuss. And the colors, we're talking ice blue, lilac, and navy. These phones are going to look as cool as they are practical. The F55 is showing off a sleek Infinity O screen with a neat little spot for the selfie cam, while the F35 sticks with the Key Island vibe. Battery-wise, both phones are packing a hefty 5000 mAh punch and can zip back to full power with 25 watts of fast charging. They're also rumored to be tough cookies with an IP67 rating for keeping out dust and water. Plus they've got that knock security to keep your stuff safe. So, Samsung's really upping the ante with the Galaxy F35 and F55, focusing on making them not just powerful, but also more repairable and sustainable. Pumped about the Galaxy F55? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for the latest buzz. Catch you later.